Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today I have for you guys a quick strategy that I want to teach you guys, and this is basically a thank you for those who have been supporting me on my journey, and please continue doing so. So this is a quick and simple, easy strategy that anyone can do. You either know it, if you know it, good. If you don't know it, then here's something I'm giving to you so you can learn and potentially use it in your favor to make some money. All right, you can use this on the down or the upside. That's the good thing about it. All right, so do me a favor, guys, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Thank you. So we're gonna keep it simple, quick. All right, come on, let's chop it up. Come on, let's chop it up on the chart. Okay, so this strategy is very easy and simple, right? This strategy entail of using the 9 and 20 EMA, right? The blue line is my 9 EMA, take note, and my yellow line or the gold line is my 20 EMA. So for this strategy to work, you can use it on both sides, right? If you're going long, you'll wait for the 9 EMA to cross over the gold 20 EMA, and if you're going short, you'll wait for the blue or the yellow to cross over, vice versa. So the flip side of that, right? So first you will have to wait till to see where price action is touching. As you can see, price action first touched this yellow EMA, which is a 20 EMA, and bounced up and started to ride the blue line, which is the 9 EMA, and then price action came back and retest this yellow EMA, right? So the first confirmation is seeing where price action is touching and respecting. So as a momentum day trader, I use these two EMAs to give me a sign of strength, right? And we use the 9 and 20 EMA as a sign of support as well. So we see that this price action is basically respecting the 20 EMA. So for me now, I'll be waiting for the next price action to come close or actually physically touching this 20 EMA for the next ride up. You could potentially get a dip buy. This would have been a clean dip buy, right? It came down, tapped the 20 EMA a little slightly. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see. It came very close. As soon as it came close, price started to go up, and guess what it did? It started to rip up. All right, now, so let's just say, for example, you missed that entry, right? If the stock is strong, you're going to be able to get another entry during the cool down session. So as you can see, we have a period of consolidation, and what did price action do? Came back down to the yellow, retesting that yellow EMA, which is the 20 EMA. It came back up, retested again, 20 EMA, and it's been testing this 20 EMA for basically the whole consolidation period. Let's draw the consolidation period. And this is all on the 5-minute, all on the 5-minute chart. This whole consolidation right here, it's been touching this yellow EMA, which is a 20 EMA, right? So we'll take advantage of that, and we can potentially, when price come down and retest it, we can jump in, hold it, and wait till, if anything, price go below the 9 or the 20 EMA. So in this case, you would jump in on this 20 EMA and hold it, and as you can see, price starting to curl up and ride the way up. It's making lower highs or higher lows, sorry, and it's making higher highs. So that's a sign that price want to continue to go up. You could have even got in here. You got the entry, you try to retest the 9 EMA. There was a lot of support on the 20. That was a 20. Sorry about that. That was my mistake. So it's retested 20 EMA, bounced up, and price action just kept going up higher and higher. Now, this strategy is a holding strategy. So you can either hold in with a big size or you can hold in with a smaller size just to be careful, right? So you jump in and let it do what it do. You set your stop loss, however much that may be. I don't know your risk tolerant. For me, I'll basically risk 2% of my account. And as you can see, price started to go higher and it started to rip. Momentum started to come in and it started to rip going higher. So that is just a quick example. Let me see if I could give you another example of the same thing. So we have one here, and this is the same stock I traded on Friday, LITM, right here. Let's remove these drawings so it can be a little bit clear for you guys. Let's see, remove drawing. Okay. Yes. So we're removing the drawing, right? So as you can see, we have the 9 EMA, which is the blue line, and we have the 20 EMA, which is the yellow line. If you can zoom in, you see that price action been testing the 20 EMA. 20 EMA, as you can see, and then price started to go up. So say if you missed this trade, what you do, wait for that consolidation period. And what is the price action doing? Retesting that 20 EMA. 20 EMA right there. Testing, testing, testing. It cracked a little bit below it, but it came back and regained that support line, right? Remember, we use that EMA as also support. So if you would have got in here, you could have potentially held it at the low. You say you got the entry on the EMA right here. You could have got it, hold it, set a stop loss, or if you're going to watch it, set a mental stop. You could even get a scalp trade of this. Enter here for the pop up. And the reason why this strategy is very good is because you're looking at what price action done previously. So previously, price action been basically testing that 20 EMA. So more likely it will happen in the future. It doesn't always happen, but more likely it will happen in the future, right? So test it again right here, test it again here. These are all opportunities that you're going to potentially got in to make some money or be able to bank on. So I'm showing you, look, you could have got in here, you could have got in here. And once price action break underneath, then, you know, if you're going to do it on the short side, you can do it also on the short side, right? But I'm a long trader. I do go short sometimes, but that's really how you trade the strategy. If you guys do not understand it, we're going to go over another one, right? Let me see if I can find another one for you guys. So we have, okay, we have Bed Bath and Beyond. BYDN, right? No, BYND, sorry. Bed Bath and Beyond. So we have one here, right? So price action broke through the 9 and 20 EMA, and the 9 and 20 EMA, what they did, cross over, right? Price action right here tested or try to test the 9 EMA, and then this candle, same thing. Let's see if we can zoom in. Hopefully it's not too small for you guys. It tested the 9 EMA again, came up, and what price action did again, try to test that 9 EMA again. It couldn't go below it because of support. You could have got in on the entry here. Came up again, price action came down, retest that same 9 EMA, and went higher. So this one is a little bit choppy, but you guys get the idea of what I'm saying. And hopefully you guys get the idea of what I'm saying. Let me see if I can show you one more. Let me see. Now this is a good example of the downtrend, doing it on the downtrend. As you can see, price action came below the 9 EMA, cross over the 20. Now the bears are in charge. So what price action did? Price action came, retested that 20 EMA, came back down, curl back up, retested that same 20 EMA, and came back down. And what it did again, came back to the 20, came back down. And these are potential areas. You could have got in here, could have got in here, got in here. These are so many different potentials that you could have taken to actually make some money or getting on a good trade. And the good thing about it is that you get in early. You're not waiting for anything to break out. As soon as price action tests the 9 or the 20 EMA, depending on what direction you're looking to go, it could be a short or a long, you can definitely bank easy like that, guys. So I'm telling you, this strategy is something that I use almost every day from time to time, and you guys can take advantage of it as well. So if you like this video, if you like the strategy, you can try it out. You don't have to use your real money. You can use your demo account just to test it out, and you can go on other stocks and back test it. That's what I do. I back test everything. So you can do it as well. Back test it. You don't have to trade it or use this strategy, but this is something that I personally use from time to time. All right, but if you like the video, smash that like button. If you like the video, smash that subscribe button and give me some love, you know. And thank you guys for tuning in. By the way, I'm going to start trading a little bit live on my channel so you guys can see me actually taking entries and exiting on my trade. So you guys got to have a sense of how I trade. So look out for that, and please subscribe for that as well. So, it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.